Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make your TikTok account private. So first things first, you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your TikTok application. In order for you to do that, you have to go to your Google Play Store or App Store, go to the search icon and then look for TikTok. And if you see an update button right here, all you need to do is to click or tap on the update button. Wait as it is updating. Once done, you can now go back to your TikTok, launch your TikTok application again. Now here, the next thing to do is tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. Click your profile right here and make sure that you're using the personal account of your TikTok. It's easy to switch to private or make your TikTok private. All you need to do is tap on the three lines and go to settings and privacy. Now here in settings privacy, you will see different options. You have to tap on the privacy option right here and you will see this private account. And all you need to do is to toggle this one on to make your account private. However, if you're using the business account or creator account, and then you can switch to private or you can switch your TikTok account to private. To fix this, you need to go back to your account and make sure that you're using the personal account and not the business account. You need to go back and then switch to personal account. Go back to your settings and privacy. Go to privacy again. And this time, toggle on the private option. And basically, that's it. You will now switch your TikTok to private account. So basically, that's how easy it is to make your TikTok account private. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.